Okay, so after you pop your hood, you're going to see your serpentine belt right along here. This is the tensioner. The tensioner has this little spot right down at the bottom and has a 17 millimeter head on it. So you're just going to use your ratchet, and we're going to put that on there with a 17 millimeter, and we're going to relieve tension from the tensioner. That's going to make it so the belt can come off the pulleys here. Get our tool back off. Take note of which way the belt goes. We're not going to take it completely off, but we'll at least move it a little bit. Okay, so let's take our 17 millimeter again, and we're going to go back to the tensioner, and I'll show you what we're going to do. When you look at your tensioner, this is what we're dealing with. That's where we're going to be putting the 17 millimeter on. There's going to be a bolt here, but on the tensioner that's in the vehicle, this is going to be pulled down in front of it. So what we need to do is pull the tensioner so that the pulley comes this way, and we're going to slide a pin in that looks a little bit like this. So I just grabbed myself one of these little Allen keys because it's about the same size. I'm going to relieve the tension, and then I'm going to slide this in, and it's going to do pretty much what this is doing. Let's get our 17 on there. Turn this way, and now we're just going to find that hole that's inside the tensioner. Push it in there as far as I can. My fingers out of the way. Awesome. So that's holding it so that the tensioner is giving us an area where we can get out the mounting bolts. So now we're just going to use an inverted torque socket, and this is an E14. Put it right on our bolt. We'll loosen this right up. Do the same to the other one. Last bolt and the tensioner. So let's grab our new tensioner and one of our bolts and start installing. Through there, find the bolt hole. Okay, that one started. Do the same to the other one. Cool. All right, let's just bottom these out. Do this one. Find that bolt. Okay. We'll grab a regular ratchet, snug them right up. That's definitely tight. Tight. All right, so let's go back to using our 17 millimeter. Get the belt out of the way here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to relieve tension, and we're going to pull out that little pin. And we're going to let this go. There's our little pin. Okay, let's get the belt rerouted here, and we can continue. Up and around here. This goes this way. It's going to be very important to make sure you get the belt on all the pulleys and in all the grooves as they're supposed to sit. So I'm pulling tension on the belt here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this top one off. I'm going to grab my tensioner. My ratchet for the tensioner. Slide that on. I'm going to come right up here. Put this on this one. Okay. Now we need to double, triple, and quadruple check to make sure that the belt's routed right and it's over all the pulleys, sitting inside the grooves 100%. Feels great. Okay, so now we just need to start the vehicle. We're going to let it run for 3 to 5 seconds, then turn it off and recheck those pulleys. Okay, perfect. Sitting in all the grooves. This looks great.